chart so we can learn our shapes. Let me show you how to make it. This is what you will need: a big black cardboard chart paper, a big piece of white paper, all the shapes that you would like to learn, glue, corky, clear tape, and a ruler. We will start with the black chart and the white piece of paper. We will keep one side clear and stick the white piece of paper only on the other side. We will use some glue to stick the white paper on. Carefully place the white paper on the black chart. On the part we left clear, we are going to stick all our shapes in any order that you like. You can stick any shapes that you want to learn. I'm going to start with a square. And then follow with a triangle. And then add the rest of the shapes below. On the white paper, I will draw horizontal lines all the way to the bottom. Each horizontal line needs to be just under the shape, like how I'm doing it. This is how all the lines look once I've drawn them. Now, I will draw 2 vertical lines to make a grid. This is what a grid looks like. I have 3 spaces in each row for all the shapes. In the first block, next to the square, I will draw a square with broken lines. Here's the square with broken lines. I'm going to do the same for all the other shapes. Now, I'm going to use clear tape to cover the entire chart. I will show you how. Cut the tape and place it neatly on the chart and fold in the edges. Take a marker and slowly follow the broken lines. Then you can try and draw the shape the same way you practice it on the broken lines. Practice once more. When you are done, you will need to wipe off the marker so you can try again. We added tape over the chart so it's easy to wipe off the marker. You can draw on the chart as many times as you like and wipe it off every time you want to try again. I will now show you how to wipe it off when you use a Koki. We all know that Kokis can be hard to wipe off. Take a Koki, draw on the chart like we did earlier. Just keep practicing. Draw another shape. And then draw another one. Now, let's try to wipe off the Koki. Can you see how it's not coming off? To wipe it off completely, I will add cleaning cream and wipe it off with a cloth. Can you see how well it works? This is what our craft is going to look like when it's done.